and journey ng Creamline, medyo different siya compared to the other seasons, but still, nasa podium pa rin yung Creamline.
Siyempre, sobrang deep ko sabi mo. Siyempre, sa finals na rin ako. Pero happy kami kasi yan yung on-tour ng podium niya. Luckily, makabawi kami sa invitational. So, hindi kami magpo-focus para makabawi.
Thank you, Coach. And for MG, best player of the game with 21 points in straight sets. Siguro paano mo lang in-approach tong game na to, knowing na knockout game nga siya against Signal for that bronze medal finish?
Last game for this weekend.
Not even.
Last weekend. Wala, syempre, bibigay na lang talaga lahat. Last game ito for our season. This is the bronze medal match. So, talagang bigay na talaga lahat. And support lang. Kanina naman, hindi ko iniisip talaga yung wala na talaga kami hinahabol kundi just to finish with a win. I think we just really wanted to finish today with on a high note na panalo kami, na masaya kami, na good vibes kami. So, yun lang talaga yung focus kanina para naman enjoy kami today sa birthday ni Ella.
And for Eliza, 12 points in this game. Nung group stage, na-sweep kayo ng Signal, but this time kayo naman yung nakasweep sa Signal for this bronze finish. How different was this game lang? How different was Creamline in this game compared to that preliminary game?
Well, looking back, I think we had so many lapses during that game. And thankfully, very specific yung mga instructions si Coach from then on hanggang ngayon. Kaya siguro ganda din ng mga improvements and ganda din ng mga ginagalaw ng bawat isa towards the latter part of this on tour. And yun, more than ever, I think, syempre may konting giggle din kami para makabawi. So magkakasama na yung lahat. So kaya siguro nakakuha rin kami ng panalo. But yes, for this on tour.